Hey everybody, welcome to Techn Moto. I'm Mike, and today I'm going to show you how to clean and grease seal bearings on the front wheel of your motorcycle. These are sealed bearings, so I'm going to use my little tool that looks like an ice pick. I'm going to gently peel the rubber up, and it pops right off. That's the outer cover, or the seal. Alright, being careful not to poke a hole in it when you pull it off. Now inside there should be another rubber cover. This one's going to take a little bit more finagling to get it out. But you just want to pull the lip out and it should come out. Boom. And there's your inner seal. Now this bearing has what appears to be a plastic cage, but it is tight to move. Alright, so it could use a nice cleaning and some new grease. Alright, the cleaning, you could use brake clean, but because this has a plastic cage, I'm going to use some sensor cleaner. Alright, nice and clean. Now it turns so much better. Alright, now it's clean. I'm going to get some air. I'm going to blow that out. Alright, now we got that nice and dry. I'm going to put some grease into that bad boy. Now I'm using my grease pump with some high temp grease inside the tube. Now I'm just going to push it right in. Now, we need to work it in. Now you work it into the bearing as best as you can, and you're done. We're going to put the inner seal in. Just pops right in. Right, make sure that the lip is in place. Okay. And now let's wipe this outer dust seal off. And that's going to pop right into its place. Right, make sure that rubber piece on the outside of that seal goes right into the groove. It goes back into the groove. Once you get started, it's not difficult to get it back in there. And wipe that all down. And she's done. That feels so much better. Alright. Double check your seal. Make sure this is in the groove. This one's kind of out a little bit in certain areas. There we go. If you put too much grease in there, it might be an issue trying to get the seal back in. There we go. Alright. Oh yeah, that feels so good. What a difference. So there you have it, freshly packed bearings. Just make sure you pack them really good. Get that grease all the way in there, you know, as best as you can. And then put your seals back on. And you're all set. Alright, thanks for joining me. I hope this video was helpful. Maybe you try this on your own. Get your bearings to last a lot longer. If you take the wheel off, it's always a good idea to clean your bearings and put fresh grease in there. It definitely will help them last longer. I mean, these bearings got around 65,000 miles on them, and I haven't replaced them yet, so, and they still feel really good. All right, take care, you all. Bye-bye.